Hello, Gemini. Thank you for coming. Thank you for sharing your energy with me. This is for Gemini, Sun, Moon, and Rising for June 1st through the 7th. Gemini, I keep getting one phrase in my head, and you should know more about what it is than me. Why are you doing what you're doing? And I think this is you asking yourself why, the real reason why you're doing what you're doing. And I have a feeling you're going to be going into retrospect about this. Okay, let's see if that comes out in the reading though. Now, so far you are my third reading, and the first two were pretty much just about that sign. Aries was only about Aries, Taurus was only about Taurus. There was no one else involved, so we'll see if that trend continues. Gemini, June 1st through the 7th. I do know that tempers are going to be up for the next month or so, so be careful with that. Okay. Past. Present. Also, I'm doing in future. I'm doing a pick a card in a separate video because these videos are too long. And why it's all happening. The Hermit could be a Virgo, or it could simply be you seeking inner wisdom, which would go along with you questioning as to why you're doing what you're doing. Okay, past, Fool, taking a leap of faith, taking a new journey, a new start, a new beginning. Present is Strength, could be, that's Aries, this is Leo. Lots of major arcana so far, you got 3 out of 7. Having the strength, the fortitude to continue on. Fighting a battle. Persevering. Continuing. Because you feel it's right. Strength card doesn't come up when you have an easy time of it. So right now you're going through some things. Oh my gosh. Death. Could be Scorpio. You are definitely going through it right now. You're undergoing a big transformation. In the future, okay, you guys saw me shuffle these cards, right? Could be Sagittarius, but we have Temperance, Balance, Healing. So you're fighting a good fight for a good reason. I have never seen this many cards, major arcanas, in my life. Magician could be, again, an Aries, a Cancer, a Pisces, or a Virgo. Wow. Finally, 8 of Cups. The only non-major arcana. Walking away. You are definitely doing some deep diving right now. Okay, we're going to get some clarifiers. I'm going to get one clarifier because I don't end on a major arcana. One clarifier for each major arcana. Why did the King of Cups not come up with the deck? Oh, he's the clarifier for the Fool. So, took a journey in an emotional situation. Strength, 3 of Pentacles, with another person, Death, Knight of Cups, perhaps sending a message, Temperance, the Star. What better card to go with Temperance, right? 9 of Swords, the Magician, wow, the World, the Empress, Ten of Swords. Good. That works perfectly with the Eight of Cups, doesn't it? And now on the bottom, we have Seven of Pentacles. I actually feel this is a block. Figuring out why you're really blocked. Why you're blocking your own progress. What it is within you that's holding yourself back from true progress. Why things keep coming to a standstill, a halt. Okay, so you have the strength. Hold on. What is this Three of Pentacles, please? Three of Pentacles. Somebody bring down your tower? Or did you bring down somebody else's tower? What is this Three of Pentacles? Trying to work with someone else. Ooh, put you all in your head. Lots of fear. Somebody gave you a lot of fear and anxiety. We have the Eight of Cups and the Five of Wands. Somebody put you in your head. But you have the strength to overcome this. Somebody has definitely put you in your head and you're working on it. You're working it out. Someone asked you a question. I think someone asked you a question, possibly. And it's bringing about a massive change in you. Yep. Communication. I'm betting. Ten of Swords, High Priestess for the Knight of Cups. You know intuitively that the situation is over and you're ready. Mindset. I'm thinking it's a way of behavior. It's a way of self-sabotage, actually, is what I'm feeling. This self-sabotage is over. You're asking yourself why you did certain things. Why you thought certain things, why you acted in a certain way, and it's self-sabotage is what it looks like. Flighty behavior, possibly, non-committal, but it's changing. You're changing. You've decided to undergo some massive change and growth here, and that's very good. Temperance, clarified by the Star, clarified by the Nine of Swords. You're in your head again. This is possibly realizing, but you have the strength to get through this. You have, whoever this reading is for, you are doing some deep dive shadow work, okay? Definitely some deep, massive, transformative shadow work is going on here. What is this? And you're healing. Major amounts of healing is coming in for you. Nine of Swords. This is depression. This is sadness, loneliness, inability to sleep or sleeping way too much. What is this Nine of Swords, please? Yeah, look. Going within or dealing with a Virgo. But going within. Oh my God. Death card again. Seeking balance. You're seeking balance within yourself. You're changing a situation. Now, if this is not with yourself, this has got to be about yourself. There's too many major arcanas here. If it's not with yourself, you're definitely seeking balance to a situation. But you know to go within for that transformation. You know that balance is within you. That's where the balance lies. Bottom of the cup, Ace of Pentacles. It is bringing you in, all of this work that you're doing is bringing you in stability. The Magician, having everything that you need to create the new you, the world, a new world, new beginning, Empress, abundance, the beginning of new things, Ten of Swords. Why? Because the old way of doing it is over. Let's get some clarifiers on this, please. The old way of doing it is over. She is recognizing, the Empress is recognizing what is real, what is not, what is futility, and what is abundance. Where to put your energy, there's a Strength card again, where to put your strength, your energy, your love. Two of Cups, King of Swords, Nine of Cups. Wow, on the bottom, Six of Wands. You're successfully cutting off what is not real. You're reaching a successful completion because you're the Magician, because you're you're heralding in a new world, because you're bringing out the Empress within yourself. You're done with things that are not fulfilling. You're seeing how you were bringing in things that were not fulfilling, and you're having victory with this. Okay, Eight of Cups, walking away. Walking away, going to find your ninth cup, which is right there, isn't it? Tower and Three of Wands. You're going to have another Tower moment, but it's going to be very clarifying for you. Your Eight of Cups may very well be, all right, Tower for another person. Bottom of the deck this time, we have the Knight of Pentacles, which is funny because here's the Ace of Pentacles again. This is the same pentacle. So we have the Ace of Pentacles, the Three of Pentacles. We're back to the Three of Pentacles. And back to the Knight of Cups again. Beautiful. You're walking away from old behavior, realizing that you don't have to do it in that manner anymore. That you've got a new start in happiness and abundance and believing in yourself and realizing why you do what you do and is it right. How you let others control you, how you control others. It can go any direction here. This is a general reading. That was actually really, oh, it was not quick. Wow, I thought that was a quick read. I did not realize that was 12 minutes already. Okay. Gemini, you've got major, major energy coming in, okay? What is the main obstacle? Gemini's main fear? Self-belief that is holding them back. What is Gemini's main fear, self-belief that's holding them back? Phobias. Your fear of being committed. To your mother? No. Wars and battles. Okay. Your fear is having to always take care of other people. You definitely have a fear of being someone that you're not. That everything is always going to be a struggle. Your fear is also of looking within. That is what's causing you the biggest problem right now. The fear of looking within, the fear of being someone you're not, the fear of who you really are. Gemini, I got news for you. Who you really are is more beautiful than you could ever imagine. Okay. What is Spirit's message? And that's not blowing smoke. Okay? That's a fact. Who you really are is more beautiful than you could ever imagine. Spirit's guidance. I don't care what you've done. I don't care what you haven't done. What you have or have not done is simply because you're holding yourself back or you went by someone else's script that was written for you a very long time ago. Who you really are and what you're really capable of is beautiful. More than you could ever imagine. Spirit's guidance. Bottom of the deck, 7 of Autumn. Have patience and don't worry. Take time to rest and plan your next steps. Prudent time, investment of time and money. You need to invest in you right now and be patient with yourself. 4 of Spring, be grateful. You have much to celebrate. Deep feelings of peace and happiness, a contented personal life. Be happy and grateful for what you have right now. Don't look at the negative side of things. Ace of Winter, don't be deterred by challenges along the way. It's important to communicate clearly and accurately. Amazing new ideas that should be implemented. Don't be afraid to take steps you feel guided to take. Ooh. Ace of Summer, open your heart to love, the beginning of a new intimate relationship, the awakening of psychic abilities or spiritual epiphanies. You are definitely awakening to who you are. This is a new relationship with yourself. This is absolutely incredible, Gemini. You're on the verge, you're on the precipice, you're in the middle of having a huge awakening. Now, you might be going through a dark night of the soul. You might be feeling pretty down. But you will get through it. Remember everything that you have to be grateful for. Okay? That you are worth it. You are worth the fight. You are worth the challenge. You are worth it. Where are you headed? Gates of Triumph. Success expands in your life. That's where you're headed. The Gate of Triumph. A great adventure. Take a risk. Venture forward. Keep going. Don't stop. It's going to open so many doors for you. View from above. Get the big picture. You're going to be seeing things on a whole nother level. Last but not least, where you're heading, answering the call. You're going to be answering the call of who you really are. You can get through this. You can do this. Reach out to anyone that you might need help from. Reach out to organizations. I mean, there's so many people that could actually help you. If this reading was for you, you can do this, Gemini. You have the ability. You have the strength to do this, okay? Spirit's right there with you, trying to help you and guide you. You are worth it. All right. I'll see you guys soon. Peace to you. Ciao.